Hi guys, my name is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another weekly analysis video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down some charts for you. For example, GBPUSD, EURUSD, gold, NAS100, and the pairs that I believe have potential for this week. All of them do, because I'm a scalper. I get in and out of the market like in an hour max, or 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But I want to break it down for you on a 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to start it with GBPUSD, because GBPUSD, guys, this is something that I look at first in the morning, and I really love this pair, guys. And every single time, I mean, 9 out of 10. It gives me an opportunity to enter my trade. So as you can see on GBPUSD, I'm not going to go for daily because it's not really useful for me, but I mean, it's always good to do a top-down analysis. But oh, I suppose my light, guys. And the thing is that I'm going to do with 4 hours. So 4 hours is really good, guys. For GBPUSD, as you can see, we have a few strong breakout structures towards downside. So here we had a very strong support level that has so much liquidity around, and we actually broke below this level. So all the liquidity has been grabbed. We had a huge break of a structure, so the market is now downtrend. And if you zoom out a little bit, you can actually identify the trend of the market by drawing this, by using this tool here. And you see that you're creating lower lows and lower highs. So the trend of the market is definitely a bearish market. So if I look left, I see that we have another breakout structure, which was a major breakout structure here. So again, it actually came down, it broke below this level here, it did a little bit of correction, and now it dropped again. So as you can see, this is what we have right now. So this one here, it broke below this level, went up, came down again, and as you can see, this is the lowest level that we have. So I can actually switch it to 1 day and look left again to see what type of important levels that we have, like because here we have high highs and higher lows. There's some important levels here that needs to be grabbed because we have so much liquidity around these areas. And here I don't think so. Yeah, that's it. So the next target could be this level that I kind of drew here. But so far, this liquidity is already grabbed, and we had a very, very bearish market since February 21st. And I don't think that we are going to have a bullish momentum. But, what I can tell you right now, because we don't know what happens, we'll see tomorrow morning. On Monday, we have a high probability order block in 4-hour time frame. So this is a 4-hour high probability order block here. Another one is here. And let me see, it's actually, yeah, it could be from here to here, to be honest with you. Yeah, it could be from here to here, but this is another high probability order block that kind of tapped into. But this is very, very important that we need to take into consideration, which is a really important one. Another break of a structure here. So I would say, I mean, it's definitely a bearish trend, but I don't know when it's going to do a reversal. But so far, if it wants to do that, we need to target this level here. So maybe the market decides to reach this level to grab the liquidity around this area and kind of tap in this level to stop out all the buyers. But before that, it probably goes up to this level, tap into this level, and then drops significantly. And if it's the case, it's gonna be a really good one, guys. For example, you take your sell position here, let's say you put your stop loss here and your TP here, so on almost 1-to-5 risk reward ratio trade, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So it is something that I really like myself if it happens, but it's on a 4-hour time frame. I don't do swing trading, but if I really see the potential in long term, I'm going to do that. And look at this. This is our support level here that kind of broken into, but you got to see where the drop happens. So the drop happened from here. So this is our Fibonacci level from here to here. And look at this. Look at this beautiful pattern that just happened. If I draw my Fibonacci from the top, like where this started to drop, all the way to the bottom where the correction happened, you'll see after the reversal, the price tapped into the golden zone. The golden zone is like the zone between 50% and 60% level, and it literally tapped into this level and dropped again. How beautiful it is. Like, it's really, really cool, guys. And if you wanted to take your short position here, if you're trading around this time, I'm not saying that you watch the market 24/7. This is 4 in the morning. I don't do that. You could have taken a really clean one-to-one risk-reward ratio trade before the market opens, but usually nobody does that. I'm just saying that the pattern was really good, just using Fibonacci. And yeah, that's it for GBPUSD, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but so far we are bearish. We have a high probability order block in this area, so it might do a little bit of correction and then drop significantly towards this level here. So let's go to EURUSD, which is almost the same as GBPUSD, but there are some minor changes here. As you can see, we still have lower lows and lower highs. The market is going down. We had a major correction here, and this was a really interesting one because I had a video for that we had a few breakout structures toward the upside, and I really thought the market is trying to change a trend, but it didn't. See this formation of W here, and also we have this breakout structure here and this breakout structure here, and literally went up, and this is crazy. And I thought that's always probably changing the direction of the market, but you shouldn't judge like that. If you want to see an uptrend, let me just put it this way to make it really simple. If you want to see that the market is uptrend or downtrend, you should always be looking for higher highs and higher lows, or for downtrend is lower lows and lower highs. It's very simple. Just whatever time frame that you trade on, zoom it out, just have a like a general overview of what's going on exactly, and you'll notice that the market is whether creating lower lows or lower highs, or higher highs and higher lows. And in this case, it's definitely creating lower lows and lower highs just by looking a general overview on the market. And as you can see, it's crazy. So this is a very small correction compared to the overall trend of the market, and I really thought that the market was trying to change the trend because it was really potential for that, but it didn't. It just came down, and we had big bearish engulfing candles so many times, and I said, okay, so it's probably going towards this level to stop out all these buyers who took their long position here and they are holding a runner all the way to here, so they probably get stopped out very, very soon, because exactly here we have a high probability order block. Or if you don't want me to say high probability order block, I can say high probability supply zone. So it's just a fancy name for that, guys, but it's the same thing. And I believe that it's trying to reach this level, tap into this level, and then drop significantly if the market doesn't decide to change this direction. So, and I believe it doesn't. So as you can see here, it's very good, and probably tap into this level, the same thing as GBPUSD, and then if it drops towards this level, it's going to be a very, very interesting one. So this is for EURUSD, guys. As I said, we'll see what happens. There are two important levels here. One of them is this one, one of them is this one, so it's kind of in the middle of the range. You can still trade it because if you're a scalper, otherwise you just need to wait to see where the trend of the market is going towards. But you don't want to wait for 2 days to see what happens. You can literally see that Monday morning. So this is for EURUSD. Let's go for gold. I want to show you what's happening in gold. Gold is very, very interesting. I like that. As you can see, it's crazy. Like the price increased significantly since January 28th. Look at this, and today's date is March 13th. In almost 2 months, the price of the gold is shooting up crazy, non-stop, and it's just creating, it's not even creating clear higher highs and higher lows, but I can certainly see this high probability demand zone here. So this is a high probability demand zone that we can just kind of target, because we had a candle that shot up, and then the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So there's actually a level, there's actually a space from here to here that needs to be filled in. But I feel like that the price wants to tap into this level and then take a sell position, they take a buy position. But I personally don't trade on gold, and the reason is that I'm using Gold Ea Incubator on my brand new account that you are probably aware of, and it's actually this one, Gold Ea Incubator 1K account real, and I installed this account in March 7th, and today's date is March 13th, it's Sunday, and we gained over 21% profit in almost a week, $219 in a $1,000 account, which is absolutely crazy, guys. And I have a video for that, which was a really challenging video about the type of broker I used to use with Gold Ea Incubator, and I was actually showing the results every single day, and something really bad happened. If you still haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you to do that. I'm gonna leave a I'm gonna put a card above this video, so go check it out to see how important your broker is when it comes to using expert advisors. And in this case, if you want to use Gold Incubator, your broker is super important. And I have all the links in the description down below as well, so you can check it out. And if you have any question, drop your comments here. But I show you the results every single day, whatever happens. I'll show you everything. So this is for gold, guys. You know, there's nothing too much to say about it because there's a war going on, so I don't really know what's going to happen in this week. But based on the trend, we have like major breakout structures towards upside. As you can see, all these swing highs have been broken, all of them, like except this one here, which is kind of close. Look at this, guys. It's very close to tap into this level, but these levels, all these levels have been broken, so it's definitely bullish. And I can say that it probably wants to you know, stop out all these sellers here who took their position here. So by doing that, I mean, it probably tap into this level, and then if it gives us a really good buy momentum, it could be something like this. But as I said, I don't manually trade it, but I'm just saying that this is what might happen. 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade, which is a really good one. But otherwise, you know, I'd probably go further to tap in this level, because we have a high probability demand zone here. We have a high probability demand, oh, not here because it's already tapped into, but this one is a high probability order block as well that you need to be aware of, and also this one right here. So this is for gold, guys. We'll see what happens. This is my prediction for long term on daily time frame. Let's see on 1 hour 4 hour time frame to see if you can still see the high probability order block. No, it's not clear here. On daily it was, but not here. Let's go to NAS100 real quick, and then I can end this video. It's just a short one, so I just wanted to kind of give you an overview, like a general, you know, idea that what's going on. So definitely look at this, guys. I mean, if I zoom out on a 4 hour time frame, you can literally tell me what the trend of the market is, which is absolutely a downtrend market. Look at this, guys. Lower lows, lower highs, and we have a few breakout structures here. Again, lower lows and lower highs. In general, like in overall, I would say it's definitely a downtrend market, and it's just keep going until I don't know when. But we can't predict reversal, guys. It's very hard, and I mean, we are not here to predict the market. We are here to trade what we see, not what we predict. But on a 4 hour time frame, look at this high probability order block that just formed here. No, this is not a high probability order block, my bad. This is a high probability order block that was a high probability order block, and now it's just tapped into. So we don't have any high probability order block around 4 hour time frame, but we have this important level here and this important level here, because there's so much liquidity around these areas that needs to be tapped into. Look at this one and this one. And then we have a break of a structure here, so it means the market is probably trying to reach this level and this level to stop out all these buyers around this area. So this is 4 hour time frame, guys, and since we have a break of a structure here, you can identify the high probability order blocks that we have, or you can use your Fibonacci level, which is going to be from here to here. Okay, and this is going to be our golden zone if it wants to do a correction from here. So we assume that the correction is starting from here. You take it from where the drop happened all the way to where the correction is started. So in this case, this is our golden zone here, approximately around this area. This is exactly where we need to target if you want to take a sell position, because you need to wait for correction first and then continuation. And yeah, this is for NAS100, guys, and it's totally according to the trend. I'm not going to buy the market right now, especially after this break of a structure here. And if you zoom out, the general, you know, picture shows you the trend of the market, which is absolutely a downtrend. But I personally can't see any high probability order block around these areas. I can see, no, nothing is here actually. And it's been a long time since I didn't trade NAS100, to be honest with you. And recently I actually got a brand new FTMO account, 20,000 pounds. And I'm gonna actually upload a video separately that whatever results I get from it, whether I fail or whether I pass, I'm gonna share the results with you to show you why it happened. So it's gonna be an interesting one. I got my account details yesterday, and I'm going to start training it this week using an EA. That I'm gonna talk about it later, guys. That only that actually is built to pass challenges. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel first of all, turn on the notification bell, and if you want to grab your license for Gold Incubator, feel free to do that, because you can try it for free for 7 days, and then after that, you know, depending on the results, if you're happy with that, then go ahead and sign up with the real one. If not, then you didn't lose anything and you can just cancel your subscription. So everything down below in the description. If you have any question, you know what to do, and see you in the next one.